How to change username in Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Snapchat. So click on your profile icon at the top left corner. So go ahead and click on settings at the top right corner. So you'll see there is the username option at the second option. So click on that. So as you can see, you can only change your username once a year. So if you have already changed your username this year, you might not be able to. So you can just click on your username and go ahead and click change username. And then go ahead and press continue. And once you change your username, no one will be able to claim your old one, including you. So you can't go back to your previous username. So just press continue and type your new username here. And once you do that, you can go ahead and press next and your username will be changed. So that is how to change username in Snapchat.